Why did thousands embark on a perilous journey to the Holy Land? What were the true motives behind the First Crusade, and what was its lasting impact? The year is 1095, Clermont, France. Pope Urban II's impassioned sermon calls for a holy war to reclaim Jerusalem, promising absolution, formal release from eternal punishment, and eternal glory to those who join. The Pope's call resonated across Europe. Nobles and peasants alike, driven by deep religious fervor and promises of riches, took up the cross. Among the rallying figures was Peter the Hermit, charismatic and zealous, leading a people's crusade even before the knights set off. The Crusaders' first destination was Byzantium, where Emperor Alexios I awaited them, anxious about this influx of armed Westerners. The siege of Nicaea in Byzantium was the Crusaders' first military test. It saw a mix of success and naivety as they learned the harsh realities of war in foreign lands. Next was Dorylaeum. The Crusaders faced a formidable Seljuk army. This clash would be a critical test of their resolve and military prowess. The journey continued through Anatolia, and it was grueling. Faced with arid landscapes and scarce resources, the Crusaders' endurance was severely tested. Pushing through to the siege of Antioch, one of the longest sieges in the Crusade, tested the Crusaders to their limits, with starvation and internal strife nearly crippling them. The supposed discovery of the Holy Lance in Antioch reinvigorated the weary Crusaders, fueling their fervor and conviction. With Antioch secured, the Crusaders set their sights on Jerusalem, their ultimate goal, marching through hostile territory toward the sacred city. The siege of Jerusalem was the Crusade's climax. After intense fighting and ingenious siege tactics, the city fell to the Crusaders. Jerusalem's capture was followed by a horrific massacre of its inhabitants, a brutal act that stained the Crusade's religious mission. Post-conquest, the Crusaders established several states, including the Kingdom of Jerusalem, fundamentally altering the region's political landscape. The Crusade left a complex legacy for Byzantium, bringing temporary relief, but also deepening the rift between Eastern and Western Christendom. In the Islamic world, the Crusade provoked a gradual, united response, eventually leading to the counter-crusades and a centuries-long conflict. Our journey through time comes to an end for today. We embark on new adventures every week. If you relish the experience, please like and subscribe.